I'm so happy to be here. Oh. This wave is so long that you have to get out at the end and run back to the start. I can't really compare it to anywhere else. I've been dreaming of this moment for over 6 months. I've finally just arrived at this beach called PAVONES, or it's a surf town called PAVONES. It's right at the southern tip of Costa Rica, right on the Panama border. It's got the second longest left-hand break in the world. It took me, I left at 9:30 and it's now 6 o'clock. So it's taken me a very long time to get here. It's taken 3 bus rides, all very sketchy, but I haven't been this excited to be somewhere for a very long time, and I can't believe I made it. There's supposed to be a big swell tomorrow. There's no wind. Words can't describe, man. I fucking made it. I made it. Phew. The sand here is so different to everything else I've seen because it's like really black and dark, and the waves are different because it all breaks on a reef kind of thing. It's pebbles or stones. But yeah, the break starts all the way down there and comes all the way. See this wave? And here's a guy out there trying to catch waves. Oh man, I'm so happy to be here. Oh. You! But PAVONES, baby. Ah!
Heyo, buenos dias. It's my 3rd day in PAVONES now. The waves have been fire. I'm just about to throw myself in the water. Bring my little GoPro with me, see what I can capture. It's early in the morning, so I look a bit like death, but I'm ready to wash the cobwebs off with some waves. Tasty waves. I'm coming around the corner now and I can see. Woo! Let's go. Getting out through these sketchy, you gotta clamber across these rocks, which is always fun. A couple of cuts on the feet. Let's get it. Ooh. It's kind of small today. Small wave fun.
Wave is so long that you have to get out at the end and run back to the start. Woo! What an amazing couple of days. I don't think I've ever been to such a visually striking place in my life. Pavones is, you know, otherworldly. I can't really compare it to anywhere else. What's quite interesting is that the nature reserve here is where David Attenborough and the gang filmed that series Colors. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It's just like bright green fluorescent frogs and snakes and amazing animals, and the skies light up with these incredible colors. Yeah, I'm in heaven. It's been a seriously good end to my trip in Costa Rica. Now off to Peru. yeah, that's about it.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit.